নমস্কার দর্শক বন্ধুরা, স্পোর্টসের পর্দায় আপনাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত। মোহনবাগান কিন্তু তাদের শেষ ম্যাচ খেলতে 21 তারিখ মাঠে নামছে দিল্লি এফসির বিরুদ্ধে। এই ম্যাচের ইকুয়েশন কিন্তু অনেকগুলো। শুধু মোহনবাগানকে জিতলেই চলবে না, জিততে হবে ইস্টবেঙ্গল যত গোলে জিতছে তার থেকে অন্তত 6 গোল বেশি দিয়ে, এবং তাহলেই কিন্তু মোহনবাগান চ্যাম্পিয়ন হতে পারবে এবছরের ইন্ডিয়ান সুপার লিগের। তবে এই মোহনবাগানের ম্যাচের আগে কিন্তু সাংবাদিক সম্মেলনে আজকে এলেন সার্জিও লোবেরা এবং দিমিত্রি পেত্রাতস, এবং সেখানে কিন্তু সার্জিও লোবেরাকে যখন জিজ্ঞেস করা হলো এই ইকুয়েশন নিয়ে, সার্জিও লোবেরা বললেন আমরা ম্যাচটা জিততে চাই, আমাদের প্রথম টার্গেট ম্যাচটা জেতা, এবং তারপরে আমরা চাই যে বেশি গোলে জিততে, কিন্তু অবশ্যই দর্শকদের আমরা চ্যাম্পিয়ন করেই যেতে চাই, এবং দর্শকরা যাতে চ্যাম্পিয়ন হয়, মোহনবাগান যাতে চ্যাম্পিয়ন হয়, সেটাই কিন্তু আমাদের প্রধান এবং একমাত্র টার্গেট। অতীতে কি হয়েছে, অতীতে কি ঘটে গেছে সেগুলো সম্পূর্ণ ভুলে গিয়ে আমরা চাই যে ম্যাচটা জিততে। মোহনবাগান প্লেয়াররা প্রফেশনাল, মোহনবাগান প্লেয়াররা জানে এই পরিস্থিতিতে কিভাবে একটা ম্যাচকে বের করে আনতে হয়, কিভাবে একটা ম্যাচকে জিততে হয়, এবং সেইখানে দাঁড়িয়ে দিল্লি অনেক ভালো দল, দিল্লির মাথায় কোনো চাপ থাকবে না, তাই দিল্লি তার নিজেদের ফুটবলটা খেলতে চাইবে, তারা নিজ থেকে বিল্ড আপ করে ফুটবল খেলতে চাইবে, কিন্তু তারপরে থেকে দাঁড়িয়েও মোহনবাগান কিন্তু দিল্লিকে হারাবে এবং দিল্লিকে হারানোর জন্য প্রস্তুত মোহনবাগান। এই কথাটা কিন্তু বলে গেলেন মোহনবাগান কোচ সার্জিও লোবেরা। তিনি অবশ্য এটাও জানালেন যে কালকে কিন্তু দলে থাকছেন না আপুইয়া চোটের কারণে। জেসন কামিন্সের যে চোটের অবস্থা সেটা কিন্তু লাস্ট প্র্যাকটিস সেশনের পরই ঠিক করা হবে, জেসন কামিন্স থাকছে কি থাকছে না সেই খবর আপনাদের অবশ্যই রেসপোর্টসের পর্দায় আপনারা সবার আগে পেয়ে যাবেন। তার সাথে সাথে কিন্তু কালকের ম্যাচ কার্ডের জন্য মিস করছেন আলবার্তো, অর্থাৎ বেশ কিছু প্রতিকূলতা কিন্তু রয়েছে মোহনবাগানের। তবে মোহনবাগান কিন্তু চাইবে ম্যাচটা জিততে। কোচের সাথে কিন্তু সঙ্গে এসেছিলেন দিমিত্রি পেত্রাতস। দিমিত্রি পেত্রাতসের কিন্তু তার আগেই সমাজ মাধ্যমে দ্য লাস্ট ডান্স বলে তিনি লিখে গেছেন, সেইখান থেকে দাঁড়িয়ে তাকে অবশ্যই যেই সব প্রশ্ন করা হবে সেটা কিন্তু তিনি জানতেন, কিন্তু সেই বিতর্ক অনেক সন্তর্পণে কিন্তু এড়ালেন দিমিত্রি পেত্রাতস। এমনিতে তিনি খুব কথা বলতে ভালোবাসেন, প্রেস কনফারেন্সে এসে তিনি অনেক কথা বলেন, আজকে কিন্তু তিনি বেশি কথা বললেন না, হয়তো নিজের যে রসদ, জ্বালানির রসদ সেটা তুলে রাখছেন শেষ ম্যাচে মোহনবাগানের হয়ে জ্বলে ওঠার জন্য এবং যুব ভারতীর সবুজ গ্যালারিতে দিমি বিস্ফোরণ ঘটানোর জন্য। তবে দিমিত্রি পেত্রাতস একটাই কথা বললেন, কালকে মাঠে নামবো দর্শকদের জন্য, ম্যাচটা আমরা জিতবো এবং এটাই আমাদের একমাত্র লক্ষ্য। চলুন শুনে নি কি বললো মোহনবাগান কোচ সার্জিও লোবেরা এবং মোহনবাগান ফুটবলার দিমিত্রি পেত্রাতস।
Always I to try to fight till the end, and the chance is there. We can become champions tomorrow, but obviously it's not easy. But there are two scenarios. We can become champions, and my mind is positive. We need to try to believe. We need to try to fight till the end, and this is my mood in this moment. To have the maximum respect to the opponent. We are going to play against a very good opponent. I think they are playing very well. They show their potential during this season, in a difficult season, the first season for them in the competition. I like how they are playing. I like they are doing great football. And if you are not in 100%, you cannot win the game. No? For sure, we need to win the game, but also we need to keep in mind one of the options, difficult option, but it's one option. The goal difference could be decisive. No? Then, in football, everything is possible, and we need to try to do our best to win the game. This is the most important thing, but also thinking it's in our hands if we are scoring a number of goals. But it's not easy, but also it's not impossible. Yes, for sure. Everyone knows in the team what we need to do, and for sure we need to plan accordingly to get our target. No? We are working on that. As I told you before, the maximum respect for the opponent. If we are not in our 100%, we are not going to win. But also we need to keep in mind this situation. For sure, we are speaking about this. The players are very smart to know what the situation is and how we can manage this kind of the situations. We are working on that. We have to training sessions. We are going to speak also tomorrow before the game, but the players know what is the situation, and they are ambitious. They are the first want to win the trophy, and we know what we need to do in this scenario, in this moment, if we want to get our target.
One more thing I want to just add that
Sorry, but this is not an answer in first mind, because finally the set pieces could be decisive. No? There are very equal games. The small details can change everything. We are scoring the last game in the corner. One goal means we have options today to become champions, but it's one of the things we obviously we could be better, and we need to think we can improve all that. Let's see tomorrow. If we can score in corners, but we had a lot of numbers of corners, and we didn't take advantage about this. And it's a very important part of football today. I think set pieces could be decisive to win games, to win points, and to win trophies. I think they are very smart. They know my philosophy. I think we are generating chances. We have chances, but also we need to improve in the balance. No? In the last game, maybe we can score more goals. Even in the last chance, we have a clear chance to score one goal. But also they can score goals. No? It's not about the attacking players. It's not about only to finish the action. It's about to try to find the balance in the team. No? Because finally, when you are playing with a winning and attacking mentality, you are taking some risks, you are giving spaces to the opponent, and in transitions you can suffer. No? And this situation happened to us including some games. No? The mentality is the same. But finally, the most difficult for the coach is when you are not generating chances, because finally maybe you can stay here with Wolves with a attacking mentality, but you are not arriving in the opponent goal, you are not generating chances, you are not dominating the game in the possession of the ball. But this situation could happen. I think we had chances to score goals. We had chances to keep the opponents in some games, but we didn't score. But also, it's not about this. No? We need to try to find the balance, because in these same games we get the opportunity to opponents to have chances against us. No? Finally, football is balance. My idea, my style of play, my philosophy didn't change, but sometimes you are playing against opponent and they are also playing. No? When they are playing against us, sometimes it's not easy to find the spaces. They are defending well. They have the merit also, because the opponent also they have a plan. And when they are playing against Mohamed, sometimes you can see you need to play against defensive lines with a lot of number of players. No? And it's not easy to find the spaces. And it's not easy to score 5 goals in each game. Is a very good opponent. I love how they are playing football. For me, Punjab and Delhi is the teams who try to play good football. I love this kind of football. They are brave. They are not under pressure. They try to build when they have the ball, being smart and generating chances, and they are good in transition. This is why I am telling. If we are thinking will be AC game and we are going to score, we are doing a big mistake. No? We need to be serious. We need to know how is the level of the opponent and maximum respect to them.
And one more thing, Mohamed still have a chance to win. So what is the message to the fans?
As I told in the press conference to the fans, cannot ask nothing. No? We need to give them. You can see in the last game, in the derby, how our supporters push to us, help to us till the end, believing till the end, being positive in a difficult season. They deserve to be champions. Hopefully we can get this tomorrow. If not, it was very painful, because finally you are in a club, you know how the money is this club, how is the passion of our fans, what it means is more than football. It's more than football. And finally, or part of our job is to make happy the people, and hopefully we can make happy the people tomorrow.
Hi, coach.
People are professional, they don't need my motivation. I think they are enough professionals, they know, most of them more than me, all means for this club to get the target, and the motivation is that I don't need to do something special to motivate my players. No? My job is more in tactical situations, or try to explain to them some things about the opponents, on the guys, and to take advantage of our potential, than to motivate the players. The players are ready for the challenge. They are always in the highest level of motivation because they know very well in which kind of club they are playing for.
Coach, assuming Jason is part of the game, like I said, there's one more game left. We have to go out and give everything, focus on ourselves, and we see. We will give our best. This is all I can say. We will give it everything we can, stick to the plan, and just go for it. I go out and give my best all the time. I know what it means to wear this jersey, and once again I will go out, play with my teammates, my brothers, fight for the club, and that's it. There's one more game, and yeah, we do our best. Leave everything on the field, enjoy, and we see. This is in the past. We are here now. We've got one more game. Like the coach said, we're focusing on ourselves, what we can do, and we have to win tomorrow. And this is what we'll go out and do our best to win. Whatever happens, happens. But we will give our best. Not really, but look, it's still exciting. Like I said, it kind of sounds like I'm repeating myself, but we just gotta go out there and win. That's it. Come and support, be the 12th man. And yeah, we'll go out, leave everything on the field. That's it. Let's go. Give it our best. That's it. Thanks.
জুয়াভারতী ক্রীড়াঙ্গন থেকে ক্যামেরায় শুভম মণ্ডলের সাথে আমি অর্পণ দেবনাথ, প্রেস স্পোর্টস।